Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today in this video I am going to explain the questions of exercise 4th A. Although this chapter I explained in my previous videos, I told you the concept, but again one more time through some questions I will tell you concept, and I will solve some questions of exercise 4th A. So you see some questions of exercise 4th A. You can see question number 3rd. Question number 1st and 2nd, they are true false questions. So you can do yourself true false question. Now question number 3rd. If x belongs to natural number, find the solution set of the inequation 5x plus 3 is less than equal to 2x plus 18. In this question there are two parts. First part I am taking. So solution you can see 5x plus 3 is less than equal to 2x plus 18. X belongs to natural number, it is given. It is the replacement set. I told you it is the replacement set. From this set you will choose the values of x after solving this inequation. So the terms having x you take on one side. So 5x minus 2x is less than equal to 18 minus 3. 5x minus 2x 3x, 18 minus 3 15. Now both the sides you divide by 3. So x is less than equal to 5. By positive 3 you are dividing, that's why inequality sign does not change. So x is less than equal to 5. It is the answer. This is the solution of given linear inequation. Now value of x you have found. Now replacement set is x belongs to natural number. So which value of x from this set you will take? Since x is natural number, so natural number starts from 1. So 1 to 5, because x is less than or equal to 5. Less than 5 means till 4, and equal to 5 also, it means that 5 also you have to include in your solution set. So you can see here required solution set 1 2 3 4 5. Now question number 4. Many parts are there in this 4th question. I am taking 4th and 5th part. If replacement set is the set of whole numbers, solve 7 minus 3x is greater than equal to minus 1 upon 2. 5th part, x minus 3 upon 2 is less than 3 upon 2 minus x. So one by one each solution you see. You can see part 4th. 7 minus 3x is greater than equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2. X belongs to whole number. Means from this set you have to choose the values of x. From the set of whole numbers you have to choose the values of x. Now minus 3x you take in LHS, and this constant term you can take in RHS. So minus 3x is greater than equal to minus 1 upon 2 minus 7. After taking LCM you are getting minus 3x is greater than equal to minus 15 upon 2. Now x, this time you have to pay attention. I told you the rule, you are dividing both the sides by a negative number. In this question you are dividing both the sides by a negative number. By minus 3 you are dividing. You can see here, this is the step. X is less than equal to minus 15 upon 2 into minus 3. So it was greater than equal to sign. I have made it less than equal to, because I have divided both the sides by negative 3 minus 3. So that's why this sign is changing. So answer is coming x is less than equal to 2.5, and it is given x belongs to whole number. So the whole numbers which are less than or equal to 2.5 you have to take in the solution set. But you know very well 2.5 is not a whole number. It is a decimal number, it is not a whole number. So the whole numbers which are less than 2.5 you have to take in the solution set. So whole numbers less than 2.5, 0, 1, 2, you know very well. So this is the final answer. So one more time I am telling to you rule. If you divide both the sides by a negative number, or if you multiply both the sides by a negative number in an inequation, then inequality sign changes. I told you in my previous videos. So this is the final answer. Now one more part can be taken. You can see fifth part. X minus 3 upon 2 is less than 3 upon 2 minus x. X belongs to whole number. The terms having x you take on one side. So x plus x is less than 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. So x plus x 2x, 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 3. 1 half plus 1 half. 1 half plus 1 half 3. Or by taking LCM you can find it will be 3. So x is less than 3 upon 2, x is less than 1.5. So here you can see you are dividing both the sides by positive 2. So that's why inequality sign is not changing. So solution set you have to make. Now you have to take the whole numbers which are less than 1.5. So less than 1.5, 0 and 1. Two whole numbers are there. So you can see solution set is having 0 and 1. This is the final answer. Next question number 9 I am taking. Find the largest value of x for which 2 into x minus 1 is less than equal to 9 minus x, and x belongs to whole number. Again x belongs to whole number. So how to solve this? You can see 2 into x minus 1 is less than equal to 9 minus x. First you multiply inside. 2x minus 2 is less than equal to 9 minus x. Now the terms having x you can take on one side. So the terms having x, 2x plus x is less than equal to 9 plus 2. Constant terms on other side you can take. So 2x plus x is less than equal to 9 plus 2. 3x is less than equal to 11. X is less than equal to 11 upon 3. Now you can see here x is less than equal to 3 whole 2 upon 3. I did not convert it into decimal fraction, decimal number, because here if you convert it into decimal number, it will not be terminating decimal number. It will be non-terminating decimal number. That's why I have taken it as mixed fraction. So now whole numbers which are less than or equal to 3 whole 1 upon 2 you have to take in the solution set. You know very well 3 whole 2 upon 3 is not a whole number. So the numbers which are less than 3 whole 2 upon 3 you have to take in the solution set. So here I have made, here you can see, here I have made solution set, this one 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 are the whole numbers which are less than 3 whole 2 upon 3. But you had to tell only the largest value of x. In this question, you had to tell only the largest value of x. Now, you can see in this solution set what is the largest value. This 3 is the largest value. So, you can write largest value is 3. You can see required largest value of x is 3. Now question number 10 you can see, solve the inequation 12 plus 1 whole 5 upon 6 is less than equal to 5 plus 3x. X belongs to real number. Here you can see it is given x belongs to real number. So first of all we will solve 12 plus 1 whole 5 upon 6 x is less than equal to 5 plus 3x. The terms having x you take on one side. So you are getting 11 upon 6x minus 3x is less than equal to 5 minus 12. Terms having x on LHS and terms constant terms on RHS I have taken. Now you see, take LCM. 11 minus 18x upon 6 is less than equal to minus 7. Minus 7x upon 6 is less than equal to minus 7. So x is greater than equal to y. You can see difference because I am dividing both the sides by a negative number, or I am transferring negative number to other side. So 6 upon minus 7, so it is coming x is greater than or equal to 6. So that's why inequality sign is changing, because I am taking negative number from one side to another side, you can say. So that's why inequality sign is changing. So x is greater than equal to 6, but here you can remember x belongs to whole number. So you cannot make solution set in roster form, because between two numbers there are infinite real numbers. Suppose we talk about 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2, infinite real numbers are there. For example, 1.01, 1.001, 1.0001, 1.101, 1.1001. Like this, infinite real numbers will be there between two numbers. So the numbers which are greater than 6, the real numbers which are greater than or equal to 6, so many means infinite real numbers will be there, so we cannot write it in roster form. So we can make it only set builder form for such type of solutions. So required solution set x such that x belongs to real number, x is greater than equal to 6, and you have to denote like this in set builder form in case of real numbers. Now 12 question you can see, given x belongs to whole number, find the solution set of -1 is less than equal to 3 plus 4x is less than 23. I told you such type of linear inequation, it is the combination of two linear inequation. You can take middle term two times, with left term with right term. So with left term, when you take -1 is less than equal to 3 plus 4x, here you can see, and 3 plus 4x is less than 23. X belongs to whole number, it is given. Now you solve separately both linear equations. You can see first one, -1 minus 3x, I am taking constant term to LHS. -4 is less than equal to 4x, -1 is less than equal to x. Here 4x is less than 23 minus 3, 4x is less than 20, x is less than 5. Now you have to combine both the solutions. How can you combine? I told you, one more time I am telling to you, you have tried in between x, both the sides less than sign you have to put like this as I have put. Now here which number you have to put? Where this mouth is open of this sign, you can see this 5. In front of this 5, in front of this opened mouth, 5 is written. So 5 you have tried here, and the number which is facing corner, so number facing corner is -1, you have tried -1 here. So -1 and equal to sign is at -1, so here equal to sign also you have to put. So -1 is less than equal to x is less than 5, I have written here, you can see. X belongs to whole number. Now whole numbers from -1 to less than 5, not equal to 5, because equal to 5 sign is not there. -1 add -1, equal to sign is there, so -1 to less than 5 whole numbers you have tried. But you know very well -1 is not a whole number. -1 is not a whole number. So whole number starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 5 means till 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the numbers which will be taken in solution set. So this is the required solution set. So there are 12 questions in this exercise only, and it was 12th question. Remaining questions you can do easily. I hope you have understood what I have explained in this exercise, and now you can do remaining questions of this exercise. In next video I will take exercise 4th B, some questions of exercise 4th B. And in this exercise, if you have any doubt, then you can ask, then I will clear your doubts. So thank you and have a nice day.